Neighbors in the southeast of the country continue to evaluate the damage of recent hurricanes Milton and Helene. Part of the national spotlight has turned to the Federal Emergency Management Agency.
Isabel Garcia spoke with a local policy expert whose new research is pointing to a discrepancy in how funding is dispersed, plus how the National Flood Insurance Program is impacting us locally.
Ching Mao is an associate professor on public policy at the Rochester Institute for Technology, who has been conducting research surrounding FEMA's structure and setup. She explains there are two programs under FEMA, one for local municipalities, the other for individuals, homeowners, renters, or business owners. Now, the way insurance works, however, is also subsidized by FEMA, which has faced criticism over outdated maps, data, and a lack of accurate reflection of risk.
In some areas, homeowner, they actually pay a relatively lower insurance premium, but their risk is much higher than, the premium they are paying. So this actually provides a very bad incentive to, allowing more people to stay in the flood zones. And once a big event happens, then they actually, will experience a lot of damage.
The effective flood hazard mapping for the county currently consists of paper-based mapping products that are overdue for an update. To say the least.
That's John Trevor Cohn, a senior engineer with FEMA for Region 2, which covers Ontario and Wayne counties in our viewing area. Now, even before Canandaigua's 100-year flooding event in the summer of 2023, efforts to bring maps to reflect the current topography of the geography were getting underway.
So the preliminary mapping data that was issued recently represents updates to available input data sets that support new engineering analysis and can be delivered as digital mapping products for the first time.
What we experience more recently is small microbursts that will inundate a stream or tributary like the one we had last year with Sucker Brook, which we probably had somewhere between a 100 and 500 year storm event just localized in that one stream. And, that's a big impact on a lot of the municipalities, and we're seeing that more frequently.
The 90-day open comment period for Ontario County's new FEMA mapping is set to lead up to the end of the year. For now, reporting for News 8, I'm Isabel Garcia.